Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am back with an unboxing, and with this one I have the Ingenuity Chairmate High Chair. So with this, it's pretty much like a high chair as well as a booster seat all in one. And what is so great about this, if you have a smaller kitchen like I do, then you can have this that is more convenient, where you can use this to adjust it to your chair, and it's portable so you can take it everywhere with you. And I received this item for free through Kids Too in exchange for my honest review. So I hope that you guys like this unboxing.
McKay. Drop.
So everything is already back in here. We're gonna go ahead and pull it out. And we'll just sit this box here to the side. Oh, I love the color of this. This color is very neutral. If you're one of those people that are like into having a specific color. So, let me show you that up close. Now you see it has that neutral color there. It looks like it's like a green and maybe a dark peach or orange. I don't know. It depends on how it's showing up to you, but it's really cute. And as you can see, it has these adjustable straps here. As your child gets older, you can just remove these straps here and then you can turn it into a booster seat. So it has these little areas back here. And this is the part that goes at the bottom here. And it has a strap here, and this is used for your seat. Next, you have your removable tray here. And these are used to adjust your seat. So I'm going to go ahead and transfer this to the floor so I can set it up. It's basically just like a 1, 2, 3 snap. And once I connected this base and I snapped this onto there, it's on there. Pretty sturdy. They have these little blue buttons here on the side, and you can recline your seat. You can lift it up, lift it down. So I'm gonna lift it back just a little bit for my little baby. And they also have this tray. So they have these little latches here on the back, and you just open them up and they're gonna connect and snap into the seat. So that's pretty much how it looks once it's all set up. Pretty sturdy. And I'm gonna go ahead and sit this in the chair, put my baby in it, and see how it rocks. It is in there nicely. Now what I like about this is that it's pretty easy to set up, and of course right now he is too small to really need like a booster seat. He has a couple of more months, and then after that he'll be in this and he'll be fitting it just fine. But I am so grateful to receive this because it is so convenient. It's perfect for my size kitchen. And it's really easy to set up, which is what I like. I hate things that are like complicated. And with this, it's just pretty much just snap in place. I have no complaints. I am in love with this. And if you guys are interested in checking out this product, I have all the information down below in my description box. Guys, thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.